What's good, people? Benjamin here. So, currently looking at NAS 100 right now. First of all, when I look at the monthly close, price failed to close above the consequent encroachment of the December, December wick. So January failing to close above that consequent encroachment makes me think we're bearish. We're bearish. As you can see, DXY dollar closed. Dollar closed undecisively, but I still think looking at the daily open and how it is, displaced higher. Back to Nasdaq. So I'm looking at the 4 hour and I'm seeing this, you know, how do I say it? This price movement higher and then the sudden drop. And I couldn't help but take the fib. The 4% fib takes you to the November lows over here. So that makes me think, bearish, aiming for bearish prices. I'm looking at the November lows, 19th November, that low over there. I think that could be a good price point, swing price point for Nasdaq. So yeah, the whole of February, they're bearish on price and indices, especially Nasdaq, and then the US 500. As for the US 30, I haven't got a clue. I only look at it for correlation basis, but yeah, NAS 100 bearish on that. So yeah, man, I'm gonna keep updating price as price goes forward, innit? But obviously looking at the daily chart, the 20-day IPDA, the 40-day and the 60-day, yeah, I think that's a good price point. Standard liquidity over here as well. But yeah, you never know. But yeah, man, bearish on Nasdaq right now. Bearish on Nasdaq. Today I bought 50,000 FTM account. Yeah, 50,000 FTM account for about 290 quid. So yeah, man, I'm gonna be in the market where I traded. You know what I mean? Taking a risk and everything, because I don't see me going down any other path other than this. That's what I love. I love looking at these weirdos, man. This red and greens. Yeah, they're my love. I love them. And obviously this as well, that's my first love. Yeah, the Holy Bible. Don't get it twisted. And this one as well. But yeah, man, I love this. I love this, bro. So I'm bearish. I'm bearish on indices for the whole month. For the month of Feb. Yeah. And I'm bullish on DXY. Like either way, price is gonna do what price is gonna do regardless. I'm just gonna have to update my biases as price goes on. And then what drew my attention to after I drew the fib was, with the 2 and the 2.5 on the fib, price always reacts around that side. So reacting off of the 2%, failing to close below it, makes me think we're gonna see some retracement. I wouldn't want to see this high taken. So I would expect Tuesday, which is the 4th of February 2025, to have an open high, a displacement. I look for a retracement back to the change in the state of delivery. And then I might swing the whole thing, you know what I mean? But back to the 2% and the 2.5 basically. Yeah, man, that's the play. That's the play going forward. I usually skip Mondays. And then I let Monday's day print to give me, further bias going forward. Looking at the weekly chart. Looking at the weekly chart as well. After this current week closes, if price is truly to be bearish, I wouldn't want to see price close above the consequent encroachment of this large wick or tail here. So I'd want to see the week open up this way, wherever it open up at, that way, high, and then a low to displace below this. I would want to see a close below this low, like displacement below this low, to confirm that, yeah, indeed, price is bearish. I would want to see a close above this this tail right here, I wouldn't even want to see an inside candle, because if this week closes in the inside of this of last week's of 27th January 2025, if it closes in there, then it could be either way. It's either you're going to consolidate price and either take the high or low, but then I'm going to have to sell my hands to see which side gets taken first. So if it closes inside and they happen to take the buy side, then I'll be aiming for the sell side. And if it takes the sell side, then I'm going to look to take trades in direction to the buy side. You get what I mean? So yeah, I wouldn't want to see this consolidate. But then looking at the month of Feb 2023, you can see Feb closed fairly indecisive over there. 2020. Feb really closed, a little bearish. You had somebody, there's some, trading on the stick over there or whatever. You get what I mean though? Yeah. 2024, Feb closed bullish. But whatever. I'll let price dictates where it wants to go right now. Because it didn't close above this consequent encroachment, like I said. Because January didn't close above the consequent encroachment of December. So consequent encroachment over there, price failed to displace above it or close above it. So that means we're going bearish. We're going bearish. That's what I'm seeing. We're going bearish. Yeah. And I'm bullish on DXY. Come on, load up, bro. Stop wasting my time. Bear with me 1 second, folks. What's going on? Bruh. There you go. Yeah. Looking at this bullish order block over here, you could say price reacting bullishly on the last week of January. I want to see a displacement about this to confirm bullish prices, but either way, I would have to see a displacement. Price would have to close below this 25th November 2024, that weekly candle. Price would have to close below it for me to assume lower prices on DXY, and hopefully price will take out this relative equal lows. But either way, I don't see that happening anytime soon. Taking the fib and looking at that 1% or 2%, all of that. I think DXY is going to be pretty bullish this year. I think we're going to see some bullish prices on DXY this year. So that's that for me. Those that T-5 and all of that, they are previous prices that I'm looking for. Price to use as confluence. But either way, DXY doesn't look bearish to me. And unless price closes below this, I'm sticking behind my guns. You know what I mean? That way I don't listen. I really listen to otherwise. I'm sorry. No, I'm joking, but yeah, either way you get a picture still. So yeah, that was that other block we saw on the weekly. And then from the swing high to the swing low, what was it? Yeah, that's the equilibrium point. And then price is currently trading above that. That's the December monthly high. Let me see what that means. Yeah, that December monthly high. January failed to close above it. And technically I should be looking for bearish prices as well, because January failed to close above it, but still rocking. I would have to see a displacement either below this weekly candle or below that to assume lower prices. But either way, I'm not married to price. I'm not married to price. So whatever price says, that's what I'm gonna change my bias to suit. But either way, you get a picture still. That's just my little 2 cents, man. Cheers.